Hey there, welcome to today's video. Have you ever encountered a frustrating problem while trying to use vscode.dev to edit your files? Well, I've got a solution for you that might just do the trick. In a solution provided earlier, it was mentioned that vscode.dev does not support running Python code, despite the option to install the Python extension being available. This limitation is made clear in the message displayed in the Run and Debug section. So, if you're running into those pesky errors when trying to work with Python files, it might be best to steer clear of them on this platform. Now, if you're not keen on running Python files, or simply looking for an alternative to vscode.dev, there are plenty of other websites where you can run Python code online. Just search for Python Online Interpreter, and you'll find a host of options to suit your needs. In summary, if you're facing issues with running Python code on vscode.dev, it's best to avoid it altogether. There are plenty of other online platforms where you can work with Python files hassle-free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!